Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the camera has enough power, charged to at least 50% to avoid interruptions. Once done, insert the SD card and open GoPro Quick on your computer or phone so files sync. Connect the Hero 9 with the supplied USB-C cable or pair via Wi-Fi. This triggers the Quick app to detect firmware. Make sure your internet is active because the app will check GoPro servers for the latest firmware and prepare the update file. You will see Quick download the firmware package, let it complete rather than interrupting. Once downloaded, follow the on-screen prompts to transfer the file to the camera. This may take several minutes depending on connection speed. After transfer, the camera will prompt you to install the update. Accept and keep the camera stationary. Make sure to avoid using the camera or removing the cable during this stage, because any interruption could corrupt the firmware and require recovery steps. You finish by waiting for the Hero 9 to reboot and display a confirmation that the firmware updated successfully. Confirm version in Preferences. If the update fails, power cycle the camera and try again, often reformatting the SD card and repeating the transfer fixes issues. Make sure to use the manual SD method if USB or Wi-Fi keeps failing. Copy the firmware folder to the SD card root, insert into the camera, then power on. This forces the camera to install the update automatically.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.